Hello, viewer, welcome back to Ajayastro Guru. In today's analysis, we delve into the movements of base metals on the international markets this Friday, under the influence of a notably stronger US dollar and crucial economic data from the world's largest economies, China and the United States. Base metals today displayed a mixed performance, with trading largely constrained within narrow price bands. This restrained movement in the metals market can be attributed to the surging strength of the US dollar, primarily boosted by the recent report showing a larger than expected decrease in US weekly jobless claims. This economic indicator has set expectations for a slower pace of interest rate cuts by the US Federal Reserve, adding pressure to the dollar-priced commodities market, thus making these metals more expensive for holders of other currencies. Copper, a significant indicator of economic health, remained steady with little change in its price at $8,804 per metric ton on the London Metal Exchange, LME. Over in Shanghai, on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFE, the story was slightly different. The most traded January copper contract experienced a decline, falling by 0.5% to 72,930 yuan, which is about $9,991.23, indicating a subtle yet notable divergence in market sentiment across geographies. Adding a layer to the market's complexity, the latest manufacturing PMI from China brought additional concerns. The Caixin S&P Global Manufacturing PMI for December indicated a slowdown in the expansion pace of China's manufacturing sector, registering at 50.5, down from 51.5 the previous month and missing market expectations set at 51.7. As China remains a crucial player in the metals market, this news has contributed to the bearish sentiment seen in today's trading dynamics. Today's trading saw aluminium on the LME make a marginal gain, increasing by 0.1% to $2,530.50 per ton, while nickel edged up similarly. Zinc saw a modest decrease of 0.4%, settling at $2,914 per ton. Tin showed a more positive outlook, rising by 1.1% to reach $28,860 per ton. Lead, however, experienced a slight drop of 0.2%, priced at $1,931 per ton. On the SHFE, the trends were more subdued with aluminium ticking down by 0.1% to 19,880 yuan per ton. Nickel faced a more significant fall of 1.5%, and zinc retreated sharply by 2.5%, indicating a more pronounced bearish outlook in the Asian markets. Tin and lead also saw reductions, albeit more gently. Today's mixed performances across various base metals highlight the volatile interplay between macroeconomic indicators and commodity prices. As the US dollar continues to assert strength and China's economic data signals a cautious outlook, investors and market watchers will need to stay alert to these trends that will likely continue shaping the market landscape. Thank you for joining us for today's market overview. Be sure to subscribe to Ajayastro Guru for more detailed and timely analyses on the commodities market. Until next time, keep a close watch on these trends as they unfold.